Alright, so step 1, add 1 egg. Welcome back to Cooking with LJ. And today, this is kind of a sorta. You'll see. Step 2, add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. So how everybody doing today? Alright. Kind of tired, but happy Easter. Step 3, add 1 tablespoon of water. So there you have it, the mistake. Step 4, stir or blend in the ingredients with the cake mix and blend or stir until it's a smooth texture. I want to say smooth, more of a consistent texture. No bubbles. So step 5, so since I have special cookies, you have to put them on a pan, but not too close. But listen to what I say. Since they got double the cookies in it, pretty much. What should I time this as? Normal time is 11. Large is 11 minutes. I'm trying to get the dough to be as close to a cookie shape as possible because it was so much that I had to put way more than I normally do. So you'll see it. They cause the giant cookies. As you can see, I done made a cookie pie. As you see, I made me a cookie pie. It's good too. Thank you for watching Cooking with LJ. I'm out. Now I know I could have saved some of the dough and made another batch of cookies, but I didn't want to. I was being lazy. So that's what I came up with.